Why are wave period and height critical for heavy weather boating? Imagine being caught in a storm at sea, with waves crashing around you. Knowing how the waves behave can make the difference between safety and danger. Wave height is the vertical distance from the lowest point of a wave to the highest point. When waves are tall, they can wash over the deck, reduce visibility, and put extra strain on your boat. If the waves get too high compared to your boat size, the risk of capsizing or taking on water increases. Wave height alone doesn't tell the full story, but it's a key factor in understanding how rough the sea is. Wave period is the time between the arrival of one wave crest and the next, measured in seconds. It tells you how far apart the waves are and how steep they are. Longer wave periods, like 12 seconds or more, mean the waves are spaced farther apart and tend to be more gentle and rolling. These conditions are easier to handle because your boat can ride over each wave smoothly. Shorter wave periods, like 4 to 6 seconds, mean the waves are close together and often steeper. These short waves pound the boat, making it harder to control and increasing the chances of slamming or water coming aboard. Smaller boats are especially vulnerable to short period waves because they can be overwhelmed more easily. Understanding both wave height and wave period helps you judge the sea conditions accurately. For example, a forecast showing 4-foot waves with a 15-second period is less threatening than 4-foot waves with a 5-second period. The longer period allows your boat more time to recover between waves, reducing stress on the vessel and crew. Many experienced boaters use a simple rule. The wave period should be at least 2 to 3 times the wave height in feet. So, a 4-foot wave should ideally have a period of at least 8 to 12 seconds to be considered manageable. Knowing these 2 factors helps you decide whether to go out or stay in. It also guides your route and how you handle your boat. When heading into heavy weather, approaching waves at an angle of about 45 degrees can reduce pounding. Slowing down and matching your speed to the wave pattern can prevent slamming and keep your boat stable. If you see short, steep waves with a short period, it's best to stay put or find a safe harbor. In the end, wave height and wave period are your best tools for understanding sea conditions. They tell you how rough the water will be, how much risk you face, and what actions to take to stay safe. Ignoring either one can lead to dangerous situations. Paying attention to both helps you make smarter choices and handle tough conditions more confidently.